Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will do some back testing on gold. We will do back testing on a 15th of July, which time that I've selected. Let's do some top-down analysis, and I will show you that how exactly I approach my price action when I came to the chart. So let's jump to the chart. Daily, as you can see, we created a resistance, and we have some another resistance at the top. And daily, maybe this candle come down, break this low, and continue pushing down, and maybe create a support to continue pushing up. On the 4 hour time frame, we have a price approaching at the support, and we have some sort of a resistance at the top. On the 1 hour time frame, we have a support form. We already created a resistance, so this will be your resistance. Let's move to the 30-minute time frame and see what more information that we have. This candle created a resistance and it just moved down. From here to here there is 13 pip. So just wait for more confirmations on the low. So if price breaks below this, retest this area, and then we will look for some sort of a cells to come back and test this 2397 area. Or if we create a support, we're likely going to push up and continue making higher highs and higher lows. So let's see what happens. Okay, one more thing. This will be a query of $10,000 account, but I'm considering this as a funded account, so I am not using my regular risk. I'm going to be using a fixed lot of 0.25 or 0.20. Let's just begin this. We can't take a sell here because price has already moved 50-60 pips, and we are approaching a support. We can't take a buy because price has not closed in our direction. Okay, so all you got to do is just wait for the correct price action to form. I'm only looking at 30-minute time frame, 1 hour. Okay, breaking below this. 15 minute is whatever. We are approaching. We have some sort of wicks. This is supported, and we have one, two, three, four, five, six wicks to the left hand side. Okay, we have 15-minute candle is closed below this support, but right now if we take a sell at the moment, it's going to be extremely risky since we have moved a 80 pip in one direction, and it's going to be very risky sell. What I would like to do is price break below this, we come up, create a resistance, and then we look for some selling. uh, oh, we're breaking below this. Wow, something like this, that price come up, create a resistance, and then we look for some sort of a continuation move to the downside. This is my idea for the setup. Okay, looks like we are retesting this area, which is 15-minute candles. Okay, just wait. This is 27 pip. Taking sale at the simple center is extremely risky, so I don't want to take that risk. I would rather wait. All you gotta do is just make a plan and then follow the plan. If you just fall into trap of trading like this, then you're probably gonna make losses. because here what I want to do is to execute one single trade a day and move on to the next day. So look at the volume in this 15-minute candle. Look at the size of this week. This is 18 pip and the size of the body is around 8 pip. So I don't know whether this candle will continue pushing down or it would come up. I don't know that. And even if you take a sell at this moment, your stop loss would be extremely high, means high, like 28 pip stop loss. So yeah, 30-minute closing bearish. We are now coming, this is a London open. In 3 minutes, the next 3 minutes we will have a London open candle, and probably we will continue pushing down to this area based on volume that we have in the London. But what you have to do is just wait for price to come up, create a low, and then drop. For our scared, and but our analysis on a 30-minute on the daily time frame work perfectly fine, perfect, because we broke the low, and as I anticipated that we will continue pushing down to fill the week on the 1 hour time frame. But still, what we want to do is wait for the price confirmation. We broke below the support. We had candle, and if you don't get confirmation, I think it's better to move on to the next day, because rather than losing money, it's better to have that money in your account rather than losing it. So just have patience, we're gonna get our move when price come up and retest this area. Look at the volume in this 15-minute candle. This 15-minute candle started breaking the high, and all I want price to retrace now. Let's just forward this candle. Okay, so we have a support form now. If we created a support, all you want price to, now if you look at the market structure, we created a high, we created a lower low, lower high, lower low. I want price to maybe, and this, if price comes down and if it starts breaking the high, we have a support form now. And if we have a support form, we are approaching 4 hour, maybe we can look for buying opportunities, since we have clean range to the top and side, right? Can we execute a buy here is all I am thinking right now, since this is a 4 hour support daily. Okay, just wait. But I think it's a good, it would have been a good idea to take a buy to probably come in 56.26 pip area. But yeah, it was a good buy actually. Look at that. Gold does that, because remember what happened when we discuss here, if we create a support, price will continue pushing up to, we have clean range to the left hand side, and price will do no. Okay, we come, price close with no wick at the top, so all you got to do is just wait now. And if we measure this range, we created a, wow, so for our close we have clean range, 56 pip range to the top. Maybe we execute a buy here and anticipate price to continue, since there is, maybe I'm not looking for big move anyways. Maybe 15-20 pips would be good, and if not, then we'll manage the risk. just break the high, we should have a clean move to the top. 15-minute is closing in 3 2 1. 15-minute close. Oh, 15-minute close in opposite direction. So probably what I want is for price to, if it starts breaking the low, maybe we close half. But since it's breaking the high on the 30-minute, it makes sense. Look at the 30-minute time frame. We should continue pushing to the top, since yeah, I think it is a good buy. Okay, yeah, we are up 5 pips and 7 pips, 9 pips and 10, maybe 12, 15 pips will close partials. Ooh, and 15-minute close, 30-minute close bullish. Now maybe at this point you can modify your risk by moving your stop loss below this candle. And yeah, look at this, 15 pip in profits. Probably just modify the risk now below this candle. Now we are risking less than what we anticipated. Yeah, 18, 19 pip and just close the partials like 80% and set the stop loss break even now. uh, Actually, this was a good buy, because whenever price create a range like this, what gold does is, instead of making lower highs and lower lows, it comes back and might not create a lower low here, but since we have clear range to the left hand side, see this range, we have clean candles. So when we created a support at this area, then it would make sense as soon as this price breaks the high of the previous candle. uh, but since my analysis was priced to create a lower high and lower low to continue pushing down, what I did was I considered this entire move as a fake out. Since we moved down, we came back into this support area, and I anticipate price to continue pushing to the top side, and that would be my trade. But that's okay, I just got my move, and we move on to the next day. Let's see what happens. We moving up. Yeah, at this moment we should hit our TP, and that's it. Ooh, okay, that's all right. So let's move to the next day, and we will come on the Tuesday. One trade a day is all we need, guys, and count that one trade, make it count. Let me reset. This is the uh, chart that I have saved as a template, so whenever I hit the chart, you can see this entire ruckus on the chart will go away. Look at this. Now I want to see a chart with a clean price action. So okay, so yeah, this candle broke the low, it created a support. This is Tuesday, 16th of July. Calendar, we have retail sales data today, but that's later on the day. Right now we are sitting at 6 o'clock in the morning. So let's jump to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we have a support form and we have a resistance form. So okay, now we have marked our range. Let's see what more information that we get on the lower time frame. So 1 hour time frame, we created another support here. This candle broke the high and it started pushing up, right? So let's just adjust our zones further, and we have another area over here we had. Okay, so here is the thing. If we consider this as a resistance, right, this candle close above the resistance. So what's the probability of the next candle? Let me measure this range. This is a 45 pip range. What's the probability of the next candle that it will wick down and continue pushing to the top? it's very high. So I would enter dynamic entries here. So I'll add up 15 positions, 0.15 lot over here, and I'll keep my stop loss at this moment. And as soon as this candle retrace, I'll add up 0.10 lot. Okay, that's what I will do. Okay, retracing. Okay, maybe at this moment I would look for price to, oh, add up a position at here. I want to take another buy as we are retracing, and we anticipate price to push up. Since we break and close above this resistance, we should, have a clean move to the top side. Let me rub this. Ooh, we are coming down, too down. Looks like, oh, it just, oh, we take a loss here. No, we took a loss here. But I think our analysis was fine, since we have a candle and we have a 46 pip range to the left hand side. But I think our analysis was fine. And let's see if we can give our trade a second chance. We are in perfect scenarios, this would have worked, because we broke above this resistance, right? We have clean candles we have also this wick to fill. So maybe what we could have done is, we could have waited for this 30-minute candle to close, and see this now it is breaking the high. And now it makes sense, I think, for me to give my trade a second chance, maybe, because I think price should continue pushing, you know up, and maybe wait for this candle to close, and then we will see what happens. 30-minute, yeah, look at the candle, look at the closing of this candle, and we have perfect, which is a 24 pip. And now once this candle break the high of the previous 30-minute candle, my impulse entry gonna go right over here, and then I would anticipate volume to continue pushing higher. Once this high breaks, we're good to go up and test this area to the left hand side. And here, yeah, here I'll take a buy here, another second entry, and anticipate price to move further up. Now this is really nice entry, I think, because we created a support on the 15-minute time frame, we created low, we have clean range, we have wick to fill, and hopefully we will test that range. 15-minute closing bullish in our favor. We have some minor resistance here, but since we are taking this trade based on a high time frame confirmation, we're good. Once this high breaks, we should go up. Yeah, this candle should fill the wick, and then we should go up 20 some pips, and we should continue making higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, there we go. There's 4 minutes left for this 30-minute candle to close, and 3 2 1, and this candle will close. Very nice. We are running up 15-16 pips. Okay, now this candle, oh wow, look at that, this candle is pushing up. I will close, oh wow, I'll close partials here. We are running up around 32 pips, so 80% close, and I'll keep my stop loss at break even. And yeah, we hit the TP. Very nice trade, very nice. So in this case, impulse entry I took, it was perfect, but I think this breakout was also good. I think the only thing I should have been careful of is this 15-minute time frame. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this 15-minute candle had no wick at the top. So yeah, that would have been the thing, but I think on 30 minutes it looked perfect. Let's jump to the next day. We go on, let me reset the chart. Let's just switch to the daily time frame, and we'll go on Wednesday, which is a 3, 4, and 6. Okay. Oh wow, so gold indeed move up. We created all-time high. Now we are retracing. Let's just jump to the 4 hour. 4 hour we have. So in this scenario, what I'm waiting for is to support to form and price. This will be a counter trend trade, since we already moved, like 400 plus pip in one direction. I expect some sort of a pullback on gold. So we broke below. Look at the support. We have the support form. We have a high form. So let's see what this week means on a 30-minute time frame. Okay. Ooh, so this is your resistance price, and this is your recent support. But since we have this support, another this support, and another this supports, I'm not really interested taking sales at the moment. Let me mark this, just this areas, just to have them in my mind. But apart from that, I don't think. 1 hour look clean though. If we breaking below this, and maybe if we create a top wick here, maybe 1 hour sale look good, but I don't think that. But if we're breaking the low here, we have another support in this area, which is a 16 pip. This candle closed with no wick at the bottom, so it means this candle has a 50% chance to move in either direction. And yeah, we are rejecting this area. So 1 hour, 30 minutes, it's just tough price action. Buys looks good for me, to be honest, to maybe come up and test this 2480 area. But apart from that, sells I'm not interested, because we have a very, you know messed up price action at the moment. Okay, just hold on a second, my kid is calling me. Okay, sorry guys. Always look for clean price actions if you are looking for buys or sells. Always look for clean price action, I think. So if you're breaking below this, if you break this low, I think we have good chance that price will come down, since we are anticipating, yeah, this will be a 4 hour low break as well, and we are anticipating some sort of a you know retracement. I think, yeah, here maybe if we keep stop loss, this stop loss is too big. We are, let's see if, okay, we're breaking the lows, and I anticipate the volume will push the price down. Only volume will be deciding factor. Let's see, there is a volume, we will continue pushing down, since we are breaking the low on a 4 hour time frame as well. And I'm not willing to hold this trade. I'll manage my risk aggressively on this trade. Let me slow this down a little bit, so that 8, 9, 10 pips, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it is coming up. wait, it should. How many pip we did move? Yeah, we moved 13 pips. We are, if there is a volume, we should, now we're coming up. So I'm going to close partials here. I don't want to risk on this trade, and I'll wait more. I'll wait more, because since this is a not the ideal setup that I'm looking for, yeah, I'll close the full since we come back, right? But even if you took this trade, you should have secured the profits, since this is a minor, you know, support. We have support, and this was a 15-minute time frame. So yeah, so this is how, even if you took a bad trade, you need to manage risk, because that is really important. Now we're breaking below this 30-minute candle. We close below the support, right? We have this. Let's just wait for price to, I think we should go down, I think, because this will be your minor, but I'm not sure about this trade, since we have this a support area. Maybe wait a little bit longer, speed it up a little bit. So yeah, the only problem was here, and from here to here we have 40 pip range. We are moving up, very nice. 15-minute candle close bullish. We had this area. Ooh, another 15-minute candle. Okay, so this candle created a support. Now you just move your support to this. We can't, can we take a buy here? No. Oh, this is a 1 hour, so maybe 1 hour retrace a bit, and maybe you anticipate price to continue making higher highs and high lows, since we created 1 hour. No, this is a London open candle. Think it makes sense for it. This is 32 pip. The probability is still in the range though, and from here to this is 40 pip. So all you gotta do is just wait. This is a big range. Oh, a 15-minute close like this. 15-minute. Uh, 1 hour still open. Now we should take buy, since we created a bottom wick, and we should go up till there. Oh no, this is a bad buy. The only problem was this range. Yeah, now we are moving up. Now we moved up. We have a good buy coming up. Let me execute a buy. We have clean range. Oh, this is probably, I'm gonna take this like around a somewhere here. Maybe just wait. I think it makes sense that if we candle wick this candle, it should come down, create a top bottom wick. But I think there is less probability, so maybe we should do this. Oh wow, moving in the profits. We should go 50-60 pips in the profits, close some partials maybe. There we go. Candle close bullish. We need to close partials. 80% break even. Yeah, so it's okay. Let's just move to the next day. The only problem here was we were trending in the range, and I think bias was right that we were supposed to go up, but I think it just probability was not there. Once this candle moved up, then probably it would have made sense to execute a trade. Let's just go to the next day. Let's see. Daily is created a resistance, so we don't know if we're going to continue pushing up or down. 4 hour we created a support, and we have some sort of a resistance at the top. Okay, 1 hour we moved up. 1 hour is making higher highs and higher lows. This candle also created a support, so just by looking at this, maybe we can execute a buy to continue pushing to the top side. And but we have some issues on the 30-minute time frame, so let's just wait for the 30-minute time frame to close above this, and then we can take a buy. But apart from that, I don't think we have any buys right now. If we break below this, maybe we have some range to fill, like 30-40 pips. We have this range, we have this, we have another range for the cells. Maybe we, if we come down, this will be another area that we have to look after, but right now it's just this. Just speed it up. 15-minute is still open. 1 hour I anticipate price to fill this wick. 15-minute is okay. Yeah, so now if this 30-minute candle breaks the high of this, I think I'll execute a buy over there, right over there. My buys will go. Yeah, I think it's still going into the first 2-3 minutes, but I think with volume we should go up. Yeah, this is the impulse entry. We should go up like fire 15-20 pips till at least here 24.73, and then we will see 8 pips. Yeah, 15 pips. Good. I think we have to just make sure to close 80% here and break even and let the rest run. Oh, look at that. So when the next candidate came down, and it just came down. Right now we can't take a buy, we already secured our positions. Let's see if now the only way we are looking for is to price come down, create a support, and then we will look for buys. Yeah. Oh, so we had a fake out move. Price could not maintain its momentum to the upside. So what's the probability of price going to the downside? Right? This become a fake out to the top, a bullish fake out. And I think overall trend should go down since daily is also bearish. So if you're breaking the low, we should continue, pushing downside. And once we break the low on this 1 hour time frame, we with volume we should go down. 15 minute. If this 15-minute candle starts breaking the low, I think it's a better idea. 15 minute. Yeah, can we take a sell here and anticipate volume to drive? Maybe go with a lower less risk. And let's see. This is a low risk trade, and 3, 2, 1, and looks like we are not going down. Yeah, it's fine. I took low risk on this. Okay, now we have this kind of price action. If this candle, this would have been a 24 pip, but let's just go to, yeah, see. So our idea, our analysis was fine. It just we needed to wait for 30-minute confirmation. Let's just go to the next day now. Friday 6, just make it. Yeah, so we did eventually move down, and we probably should come down to test this support 24/7 and 24/7. We have price action like this on the 4 hour time frame. Maybe we are approaching some sort of support. On the 1 hour time frame, we have a more information. Maybe this is where we have a support form, and we have resistance at the top. And now I'll adjust my zones, right? So let's just see. We have this zone, we have this zone, so just wait. Right now there's nothing to, you know oh, we move down. We can't take a sell here because the stop loss was 30 pips. I don't know, I wouldn't have executed on this. 15-minute, let's forward it. 15-minute, we created a support. 30-minute, we're pushing. 30 minutes still open. Maybe if we come up and retest this area, or maybe we will look for impulse entries on based on a 30-minute time frame. So yeah, 15-minute is closing. 10-minute just like this. 30-minute created a support here. Now if this candle, I want 30-minute to, 1 hour is also closed. We broke below the support. Okay, so can we get some sort of a confirmation for price to, okay, price rejected. We gotta wait for 30-minute confirmation because we have support here. I anticipate maybe this candle to continue pushing. Yeah, so 30-minute close. 30-minute created a resistance now. If we come up, it's still the only problem is the stop loss is kind of a little bit bigger. Even if the candle comes up here, I think the stop loss is going to be big. So all you have to do is just to wait now, wait for some more confirmation, because since this is a confirmation for price to go down, but the only problem I have is maybe if we broke below the support, and then we will look for sales and have a better stop loss, which is 22 pips right now. Yeah, maybe somewhere here, but stop loss is big. 3 2 1, the candle will close. Yeah, candle close here. We have a 30-minute time frame. Take a sell here, that is still 27 pip, and I would like to wait since 15-minute 1 hour. It's just better to wait, I think, because 15-minute is risky and we still need to break below this area in order to take sales. Okay, we coming up. 30-minute rejecting. Minutes still open, and nope, we are not going down, I guess, because 15-minute close like this. If this candle starts breaking the low here, all I want price to break below this area now, and then we will see. We breaking the high here, right? This was your resistance. Now we're breaking the high. Maybe we'll continue pushing to the top side. But it's just tough, very tough price action. I guess we're not getting the move today. We still below this area. Wow. 15-minute close with no wick at the bottom. Also, today is a Friday. Let me check. We have some news. Advanced GDP, unemployment. 15-minute. Oh, look at this. I think, yeah, it is what it is. We don't have any trade today. Price broke below this. Yeah. And if this candle starts breaking the low, I think it's good chance that we will continue pushing to the downside. 15-minute, we have this, right? So if we want candle to continue, I want candle to break and close below this, and then we will say that okay, this was a big fill. But apart from that, no. This candle, okay, this can, if this candle breaks the low, can we take a sell? Yeah, maybe we can take a sell here. 0.25, since this 30-minute candle also broke below this support area, I think it's a good idea if we just take a sell and we anticipate price to, if this candle starts breaking its own high, we'll close 50%, but I think it should go down. Yeah, and it should fill this wick. Yeah, 13 pip, 14 pip. Oh wow, look at the price action. Wow, I did not anticipate that. I did not expect that price to move like this. Wow, that's okay. So yeah, I think we calling it a week with $149. Yeah, we did some we took some trades on 15 minutes, but I think higher time frame where confirmations were good. Look at this price. This candle closed below this support. This candle closed below support. The next candle broke the high. You took an entry and you took 40 pip profit. And I think this candle should continue pushing down. Yeah, yeah. So I think we did good. $114 on a funded account is not bad at all. Here we manage risk, we took some losses, we took some good profits. So overall, we were profitable for this week. So yeah, I hope you have learned something from this. I hope you're getting the value out of this content. Keep sharing. Please do subscribe if you're not subscriber yet, to get more knowledge and more uh, you know the ideas about how I trade, to get more about my strategies, how I trade. If you want to learn forex, please follow my channel. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much.